What's the meaning of centi dash? Centi. Centi.
Centi. Centi. Centi dash is a prefix that originates from the Latin word centum, meaning 100. It is commonly used in the International System of Units, SI, to denote a factor of 100th. For example, centimeter means 100th of a meter, and centigram means 100th of a gram. This prefix is also commonly used in everyday language, such as centipede, which means a small creature with 100 legs. In summary, centi dash is a prefix that denotes a factor of 100th, originating from the Latin word for 100.